How to cancel order in Uber Eats app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Uber Eats and make sure you are logged into your specific account. It will land you on this home page. Head over to account at the bottom right corner and then move into orders. It will show you all the list of the orders that you have made on Uber Eats. But for me it says no orders yet, which means that I haven't made any order in Uber Eats. If you have ordered, then it will be visible in this page. So for you, if it is available, then all you want to do is head over to the order that you want to cancel. This interface will pop up. Once again tap on cancel order. And then your order will be cancelled successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can cancel order in Uber Eats. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.